How's it going? I'm Tom Henwood with Mainline Overland. Today we're going to look at an NCV3 Sprinter, which is a 2018 minus body style, and an interior build that we did using the Adventure Wagon kit. So this customer has some future plans for this van in the interior. The Adventure Wagon represents the base sort of shell or structure of that. So in this Adventure Wagon interior kit, one of the biggest things they provide is a nice, robust wire harness. So that wire harness runs DC power to both sides of the van, runs across the roof, gives you ability to have rooftop lighting, and then also rooftop vent fans. So we have two vent fans in this vehicle. We have lighting at 6 points in the vehicle, and then we also have a DC fuse panel that ties into your OEM battery and gives you some DC power ports and future build-out capability. So we have the DC fuse panel down here. We use a resettable breaker for it. An extra that we did was a solar receptacle on the roof, which runs down to a pigtail here for a future solar controller and battery management system install. So Adventure Wagon offers 3 different kinds of paneling in this kit, and all 3 are represented in this particular van, which is kind of nice. So we have the hex laminate, which is a nice baseboard paneling, which is great for kick plates and areas like that. The molded paneling is a fabric molded over a injection molded piece. And that fabric paneling is usually used in molded areas like this, but can also be used in the upper walls or in the lower walls, depending on what you want. The bamboo paneling is a nice accent wood piece paneling. Looks really nice, especially on broad walls and along the roof here. So they use their entire roof center with that hex laminate paneling. And then we use the charcoal base paneling for the upper walls as well. In the interior kit, you have tracks mounted on the roof and on the walls. This track can be either in bare metal, which is a mill finished aluminum like this here, or there's a black anodized aluminum if you want a kind of more matched look with, say, the hex laminate or other panels. So Adventure Wagon uses an aircraft rail system on their walls and roof, and for good reason, because it's both a secure way with the flanges to hold these panels in, and also it gives you additional tie-down capabilities. So you have these spring-loaded clips here. You just use them with your thumb, you place them in, and then you clip them in between a piece. So this actually can hold up to 1,000 pounds, which is amazing. These are stainless D-rings that hook into place, and they can pop out very easily to move them to another location. So you have a bunch of these in the Adventure Wagon kit, and you can use them to store things up high, maybe on the Moab bed, or down low to secure your loads. It's a great setup, and it gives you literally storage anywhere. So one of the best features of the Adventure Wagon interior kit is the Moab bed. This is what they call the mother of all beds. They did a really great job designing this bed in that it has a gas strut that pushes out to create some tension in the panel on either side. That tension does a really good job of mitigating things like rattle and noise on the bed, and then keeps the bed securely in position. You'll find other beds out in the market that just drop into place. Having that ability to push out against the walls does a really good job of keeping the bed secure. Another item we love about the Adventure Wagon interior kit is their approach to storage. At MLO, we love lightweight storage that doesn't add a lot of bulk or weight to get you storage and to get you a secure place to keep your gear. And the Adventure Wagon Mule Bag does that in spades. They do a really nice job of having a nice fabric bag that has stiffeners on all sides. It mounts to both the roof and the wall. So this thing is not going anywhere, and it can hold a lot of gear. So if you open this up, you can see it's cavernous inside. You can go all the way back into this area here. And you can store a bunch of gear and not add a lot of weight. Especially in a high roof van like this one, you want to keep the weight as low as possible. And this does a really good job of achieving both storage and lightweight. Thanks so much for checking out this NCV3 Adventure Wagon interior kit build. If you'd like to learn more about an interior kit for your van, be sure to check out the information below. Also, like, subscribe, and comment on those videos so you can see more of that content, and check out some more videos.